Che, ata Maori e wānau, whānau, hānau, however it is you want to say it, from whichever region you are from. Okay, so today's kupu of the day, or today's place name, comes to you in association with Thrive. Yeah, I'm just gonna do some random exercises while I'm doing this. Alright, so today's place name is Pukekohe. Okay, that is Pukekohe. Alright, it's not Pukekohe, it's not Puki, it's not, yeah, however else you want to say it, it's Pukekohe. Alright, it's pretty simple. There's nothing actually hard in here, in this kupu, or in this place name. It's just how you pronounce your vowels. Alright, they're all short. Okay, if you go through your vowels, A, E, I, O, U. Alright, that's your stressed vowels, and then there's the shortened vowels, which is the A, E, I, O, and U. Alright, so we go through the first part. Pu. Break it down into syllables. Now this one I can actually break it down into syllables because there's no vowels that are combined. Alright, they're all straight after a normal letter. So first one, pu, P, the P-U, pu. Alright, the pu as in put. You know, put that over there, like put this over there, put. Yep, chop the T off and you've got pu. Very good. Next part. Pu, ke. The ke part is as in, what the hell do I say for ke? I would just say ke. Ke. Alright, pu, ke. Next part. Ko. Pu, ke, ko. Alright, ko. And then the last part is he. Pu, ke, ko, he. Pu, ke, ko, he. Pu, ke, ko, he. Pu, ke, ko, he. Pukekohe, Pukekohe, Pukekohe. Yes, Pukekohe. You can do it. In association with this stuff, it's called Thrive. Pukekohe, Pukekohe. You can do it, man. Pukekohe. Pukekohe.